if you sit because you had a vision, if you sit because God told you, because the prophet said that you must, you know what, God is going to elevate you, you will be a great man of God. You sit on that vision and you sit there believing God is going to elevate me. You will sit and sit and sit until you die. The prophetic word come to provoke the feeling on you, so you can act according of a prophetic word. They are not giving a real prophecies just because they give you a word and you sit. God is going to bless you this year. Okay, thank you very much. Thank God for that word. And you go home and sit. No prayer, no strategy, no work, nothing. You sit waiting for that word to be fulfilled. No. In prophetic, there is what they call the wish, prophetic wish, and the word of God. By my compassion, I can come to my brother here, say that, because I have the ability to see, and see that he's a man who desire to achieve great things. By the wishing within the prophetic, I'll come to him and tell him that God is going to make you great. God did not say nothing. I say it as a prophet. It's a prophetic wish. But the moment him does not understand how to direct his life, still is going to remain the same. And you know what is going to happen tomorrow? He's the first one to say, I'm a fake prophet. Because people, they are not taught to win these things. And I don't blame them. The problem is we are not taught. When a prophet walks to you and gives you a prophetic word, you believe just, he said, God said. No, begin to pray. Begin to master the gift of understanding what the prophet said and what can be done to maximize your chronos. So you can be done, you can achieve what the prophet did say upon you. Time.
I am Prophet King of Peace. I am here to impact you with knowledge and power of Yeshua HaMashiach. Please subscribe so you don't miss.